I'm Rob Supertino. I'm the president of All American Water Restoration.
I'm Sherry Supertino. I'm the vice president of All American Water Restoration.
It's been a family business since 2007.
We service Orlando and the greater Tampa area. So All American Water Restoration offers services from carpet cleaning to emergency services.
Our emergency services division offers emergency response to water damage where you have broken pipes, sewer overflow, anything of that nature where water has been introduced to the building materials of a home. Our secondary, probably main focus that we do in Central Florida is mold remediation.
And then we pick up from there and we carry the homeowner all the way through putting their house back together in the reconstruction department. We have a full department that helps you communicate with your insurance company, handle the paperwork, walk through the billing stages.
Allowing our clients to return back to their lifestyle and their livelihood, such as going back to work.
We're here to help the client through this process.